What are the applications and characteristics of pure electric sweepers in real life? First, the dry sweeping of the vehicle is changed to washing sweeping, which subverts the traditional dry sweeping mode and adopts the way of road sweeping to clean the road, which will not generate dust while maintaining the road surface. Second, it is small in size and has strong possibility. It can also be easily passed on some narrower sidewalks and auxiliary road sections. Third, it is equipped with a rotatable mechanical arm which can cross the vehicle on the roadside where there are many vehicles parked. High-pressure cleaning is carried out on the inside of the road, and the garbage at the bottom of the vehicle is cleaned. Fourth, continuous breakthroughs in the field of smart sanitation equipped with a big data cloud platform. Real-time monitoring of the entire life cycle of vehicles. Fifth, the whole vehicle is pure electric, with low noise and no pollution, which is in line with the national policy of developing new energy vehicles. Sixth, idle handheld straw, which can quickly collect fallen leaves